Welcome to my YouTube channel in Wow Anand. In this tutorial, we will see tips and tricks for editing faster. Firstly, we will discuss about creating proxy file. For it, simply import media. A proxy file, transcoded file of main video, that is smaller in data size and lower in resolution than the original video. Video proxies are used to replace raw footage files during post-production for more efficient and faster video editing and rendering. Here, it will take a couple of seconds. It's depend on video length. It is completed. Now you can edit without any lag. Next one is color grading preset. For it, double-click on clip and then click on color. Here, you can see that there is so many color presets are available. And you can choose preset for your video from here. These all presets are in different type. You can apply it according to your video. If you want to create your own presets, then firstly color grade your clip. I am grading here while adjust its basic color grading. After color grading, click on Save as Custom and rename it according to yourself. Now, click OK. Here, I am deleting all effect from video. Now, again, double-click on video, then click on color, and then click on preset. Here, you can see that your renamed preset is here. Now double-click on it for applying. Next one is Instant Mode. In Instant Mode, you can edit video fastly by using different type of template. For example, I am selecting this template. After it, I'll import media from here. After importing, click on Auto Create. The video is created. If you want to change or edit it, then you can do it from here. For example, I'm editing it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for future updates. You can add music or titles from here. Now, click on Export button to export your video. Next one is Crop Video. For it, click on this icon. Now, crop your video as you want to crop. I'm cropping this video. After it, click on Apply. Now, you can see that your video is cropped. Next one is Chroma Key. For applying it, click on this icon, then click on Chroma Key. Here, you can see that the green screen is removed. Now, you can edit it according to yourself. Now, you can add background very easily. Thanks for watching.